Hello, I have a new recipe for you to try today. This one is called Pimento Cheese Dip. This recipe is great for parties and family gatherings. It makes quite a bit of dip too, so you can use it all week. This can also easily be made keto or low carb. It's also great on sandwiches. So grab your paper and pencil and let's see what we need today. The ingredients are mayonnaise, a large jar of pimentos, a package of finely shredded medium or mild cheddar cheese, one package of finely shredded Swiss cheese, which I could not find anywhere, so I got some cheese slices and I'm just going to shred it myself. Also, you will need one package of finely shredded Colby Jack cheese. You need sugar, or you could use sugar substitute if you are keto or low carb. You could use swerve or monk fruit granular instead of sugar, and lemon juice. All right, let's get started. To my bowl, I'm adding my package of finely shredded cheddar. Next, I'm adding in my finely shredded Colby Jack cheese. Now I'm going to stir these up really well. And then I'm going to set it aside and I'm going to start shredding my Swiss. If you were able to find the finely shredded Swiss at your local grocery store, you can skip the next step. Now I'm shredding my Swiss cheese to go into my dip. Now I'm going to add in my Swiss into the bowl with my other two cheeses, and I'm going to stir this around. I'm going to get it all mixed up really well. I'm getting ready to add my mayonnaise in. I'm going to start out with 2 cups, and as I need it, I'm going to add more. You want to get the consistency that we want. You put in as much as you like. To that 2 cups, I just added in another cup of mayonnaise, and I'm mixing that around. I drained out some of the liquid in my pimentos and I'm sprinkling these around. Then I'm going to fold these all together. Now if you like more pimentos, you can add more. I'm getting ready to add in my sugar. Now here is where you can make this keto or low carb by using granular swerve or monk fruit instead of sugar. Now I started out with a couple tablespoons at a time, and I'm going to mix it around, and I'm going to taste it each time, and I'm going to see if I need more. All right, I'm getting ready to add in some more sugar. Another 2 tablespoons. So far it's about a 1/4 cup. I'm just going to keep folding this over. Now this is going to be really thick, so it's going to be a little hard to stir, but that's okay. It's worth it. And I'm going to add in some more sugar for a total of a 1/2 cup is what I use. Now if you like more, you go right ahead and add more to your taste, especially if you're using a different type of sugar. If you're using a sugar substitute, monk fruit, erythritol, or swerve, you may need a little more, and that's okay. I think the consistency is great, and I tasted it, and it's sweet enough, so I am about ready to start serving this up. Now I'm taking this to a birthday party, so I'm serving this on a platter. Now on my platter, I'm serving this dip with Ritz crackers. It works really well with it, but if you are keto or low carb, just cut up some vegetables and place around yours. Here is our finished pimento cheese dip. This looks beautiful, and let me tell you, this dip is delicious. I've placed my crackers around the side. This makes a great snack. It also makes a great lunch. You can make great sandwiches out of this. You can use keto bread or low carb bread if you're keto or low carb. And it lasts a pretty good while if you're just making it for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you can use it for your family. Be sure to leave a comment below. I love to hear from you. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes coming your way. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.